Alright, y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy TY, back on again with the CBR1000. About to do the oil change again. Like I said, had to change it at 22K, and this right now is at 22,161. So yeah, she up there right now. Time for her to get her oils and fluids flushed. I went with Castro P1, so it got carbon neutral, so I got all the good stuff in this joint. Went with the P1 carbon. Let's get it. I run all my cars, I run Castro in it. The Mazda, Mustang, the Mercury, all Castro. Now I went with this in a Honda because I looked this up and I seen good reviews on it. Full synthetic. They got all the specs and stuff that you need, you know, the JASO and the MA2, so they got all that, you know, configurations and stuff that it needs to run in this bike. So I was running Gen N4, I was running that for a while, but now I'm just going to switch to Castro Power 1 and see what this hitting for, because the Gen N4 was pretty cool, but I mean, it was stock. I think it was just conventional oil. It wasn't full synthetic or nothing like that. And I just said, fuck it, I'm gonna just go with P1 for now, because Castro been doing me well in all my cars. So I just went with that. Y'all comment down below, let me know what else do y'all use in your Honda bikes. So I usually just use Gen N4, so 4-stroke oil. So I'm gonna go with the full synthetic. It's still the same weight, 10W40, but I'm gonna go with this for now. But I took the fairing off. I'm gonna just drop this oil out there. The pans right here. I run stock Honda oil filters too. Stock Honda oil filters. Some people use K&N, but I was just always using Honda. Like right now, there's a Honda on there right now. So I just like using OEM Honda filters. You can always use different oil, but it's all up to you. Whatever you feel is more comfortable for your bike. So I want to get headers. Definitely want to get aluminum rad. This rad seemed like it had better days before. That's probably why I keep getting like higher in temperature. The rad seemed like it's seen better days before. It's probably the same rad that been in here since the bike been built. So probably end up getting a new radiator and see what else I'll probably pick up. But yeah, the color's changing in the winter time. So yeah, y'all gonna get a nice little color. Y'all gonna see that. The wheels gonna be changed to a different style, all that stuff. And I got some parts and stuff that came for the Mazda too, so that's probably gonna be a part 2 of this video. And then y'all can see that too as well, me trying to fix the Misfire on the Mazda. Check engine light keep flashing, so I'm gonna see what's up. I got a new OBD2 scanner, and I'm gonna see, because I went to AutoZone and let them check it, but I want to have my own scanner. My other one I had Bluetooth, it broke, so we're gonna see what's up. And I like changing the dates on my filters for the next service too as well. Already wrote it down here, so I'm gonna take the old one off and I'm gonna just put this one on. Yeah, I'm not gonna film the oil change. I'm gonna just film when I put the oil in. Y'all don't want to just see me dropping the oil, so I'm gonna just change all that real quick, and then y'all see me pouring the new stuff in. So I like using my other drain pan. I already got the damn drain thing on it, but I figured I'd just use this because it was less than 4 quarts of oil coming out of the motorcycle. Well, make a mess, you just clean it up. Ain't shit. Ain't shit. I always dispose of my oil correctly. I don't just pour that shit out anywhere. You know, animals and shit get a hold of this, lick this shit, thinking it's fucking water or some shit, like coolant. I'll never dispose my shit incorrectly. Just fill this shit out. Once it's filled, you just go to AutoZone, you can dispose it for free. And just like that, it's just done. It smells, and it goes right back away until it gets full. I go over the first line. you'll be good. That's one. This pack came with a 6-pack for like 60 bucks. Can't beat that. And this bike takes only 3.5, so damn near like 4 quarts. So 6 of them. These are quart, 1 quart bottles. I need everything for that price. It's like a $70, $80 oil change right here. Shit. Filter was like 16 bucks. Pack of that, 60 something dollars. It's probably gonna make my clutches feel way better before synthetic. Y'all let me know in the comments what type of oil your bike take or what y'all run. Help with the oil tips too. And preserving all the metal particles and stuff. Engine. Can't wait. I'm gonna take this joint around the block. I'm gonna check the floor real quick. So you just bring the bike a little further over to you. Yeah, it looks full. I don't know if y'all see it, but back there and there, that's in between 2 of the lines. They say go in between 2 of the lines. I'm gonna start it up and then check it again. Oh no! Oh no! No! Oil filter. It's at 130 right now with the temps. I didn't want my full Alright y'all, I bought this OBD2 scanner from Amazon, but I seen the boy Chris that works on a lot of cars on YouTube, Chris Sullivan I think. Yeah, I seen him using this for his Mercedes, so I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna order this joint. It's the Foxwell NT301 OBD2 scanner. So I'm gonna see how this works right now. It reads, and it got live data and everything like that. Come with a USB, so you can update the software if you wanted to too as well. It got live data on here, all that stuff, all the features and benefits right here, the list. But I'm gonna check it out because my car is currently misfiring. I think it's O2 sensors, so I'm gonna start it up right now. But see, the check engine light is blinking, and y'all hear it sounds like a Subaru. So it's either running on one it's either one cylinder is misfiring. I think that's cylinder 3. So it's either, look at all that smoke. So yeah, that shit's crazy. My valve seals are shot too as well. So I know the compression could be a little lower now since the valve seals ain't really putting a lot of pressure out. And all that oil you see right there is because of the valve seals are letting oil seep into the pistons. So every time it starts up, and it's all that oil inside the combustion chamber. So it's smoking when it starts up. But once it warms up, it goes away. But still, I got the valve seals upstairs. I just haven't had the time to change it. I got to take the whole heads off. I could do it, without taking the heads off or getting into the head gasket. I could just, turn the timing around, make sure the cylinder, one of the cylinders that I'm working on which side is placed up so the valves won't drop once I take off the seal. So I'm gonna check out this OBD2 scanner, see what the codes are reading. Even though I already took pictures of the codes before at AutoZone, but I wanted my own OBD2 scanner. And I have a Bluetooth one, the Micro Mechanic right here, but this one, it went out on me. So, and I was tired of going through like apps and stuff to figure out what's going on. So I figured I'd just buy my own. So we'll see how this one works. I still want one of them expensive ones, but for now this will do. just to see what's going on. So I'm gonna plug this in and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, got it plugged in. Let me see, enter, link into vehicle. Let's see what happens. Erase stored data saved from this test. It said 3 codes, so I'm gonna just read codes. So that's what's coming up right here. System status. Erase previous stored data. Yes, so you'll see the codes right there. That's all the numbers right there. P0138. And they got P0303 cylinder 3 misfire detected. And then they got P1250 regulator controls solenoid circuit. So that's the 3 right there. I got spark plugs, coils, I got wires, and I got O2 sensors in the mail coming. Everything else, the other 3 are upstairs. I got NGK2 as well. They got auto light in here right now because I went with the cheaper version at first. But you know, Japanese motors like NGK, so I should have went with that. But we're gonna see if that changes it around. Should be that. It's saying pressure solenoid regulator, and I changed that before too as well. So hopefully, I mean, I could take it off and try to clean it. But if anything, I can always order another one. So we're gonna see. I mean, now I already know the stores are cold. It's only 3 codes, so I'm not gonna erase the codes yet until I change everything. So yeah, let me go get this motorcycle a test drive with the fresh oil in it, and then I'll get back to y'all. Running good, y'all. That oil is definitely a good one. Tire is good. They sticky. They hot. Let's get it. Only thing I need to do is spark plugs and coolant next, and that's it. And then the color and all the other stuff, the wheels. But she's good though for now. Where we at? 195. Sounds good to me. Now let's get back on the highway.
Two hours later.
I'm changing the whole thing up this winter.
How, buddy?
CBR1000 is Nardo Gray.
Yeah, bro, I love that bike.
T fairings though.
Shit popping out here though. Damn, my camera about to go here though. Get outside. Same spot to do my tires and shit. Everybody out this joint. Nice little calm little, you know what I mean, bike night. It's more than the last one. So they got all the bikes out, y'all. 600 right here. That joint fire too. All the bikes. It's nice. R1. Sheesh. Old school joint too. That shit fire. We had cycle gear with it. R6 right here too. That joint nice. ZX6 right here. I got some nice shit up here. I like that old school R1 though over there. That was nice. I'm recording off the iPhone. I see all the new parts, spark plug, filter sensors. That's the coil pack and wires. That's all the old stuff. I even took the fuel pressure regulator off. That's my OU catch can. I definitely need a valve cover timing belt cover, because this one was cracked last time when I took it all apart, and I was like, I'm gonna just throw it back on. But it's definitely gonna be time to do all that. I need to go to a fabricator because these headers are cracked too. Right here, I think it's one up here too. But I could just order new ones and then rewrap them. But at that point, might as well just rebuild the whole motor and make it to like a track car or some shit. And just, you know what I mean, like a fun NA car, or just throw a little turbo kit on there from eBay. But I blew this out. I don't got no damn parts cleaner, but I aired like an airbrush out. Used it like an air gun, and it blew it out. So I'm gonna put that back in. Fuel came out, so it definitely got some type of fuel pressure. So it ain't clogged, if I'm not mistaken. But they said it was a fuel pressure regulator on the check engine light code, so we're gonna see. But I'm gonna change all the spark plugs and wires real quick, and coil packs. I'm gonna plug all the whole harness back together. I figured it'd be easier to just take it out my way, and then just make it easier for me to just do the work. All right, y'all, let's get to work real quick. I can't really prop y'all up. I just put y'all right here.
They don't live it, this the way I'm living. Just a young nigga trying to win it. No, I ain't the typical civilian. Really gotta get it. Bogus trying to count me up a million. Stack it, make it double, I can flip it. Break it down and do division. Cause I wanna split that paper with my niggas. Lot of niggas hating on me, but I don't care. Lot of bitches waiting on me, and I ain't there. People say they ride for me, they disappear. Dreaming social trying to talk to me, but hey, yeah. The same place they catch them, they gon' leave them mad. You talking while I made them demons mad. Or they left them bleeding mad. Street until they put up where you sleeping at. Go to the street, so they let them just believe in that. That's a wrong move if that boy try to be me. Try to copy, but they can't understand it. I know that death coming threes like I'm CP. Our angels falling, my heart is so damaged. I've been hurt so many times, but I be alright. You know I'm the dumb, bitch is quiet, I'm cold as frostbite. Mama on my phone, don't want me caught up in them dog fights. Lately I've been dripping, Givenchy, I'm dripping off white. All niggas saying they're a villain, I'm a rebel. Walking through the trenches, I've been catching on my metal. Shawty want my heart, but I won't let her. I told her I can't love her, I've been dancing with the devil. I'm a red breed, no I'm special. I'm trying to turn it up, I wanna reach another level. All this pain inside my heart, no I can't hold this shit together. All these demons on my shoulder, get them buried, bring a shovel. Ooh, I'ma crash a party, focus on my grind like a skater, feeling gnarly. And I ain't playing games, no Atari. Put up in a Rari, now I gotta scream that she's sorry. Try to really.
Not too bad, but I do see a little wetness from that oil being in the cylinder from my valve seals being bad. Yeah, I need to do them valve seals. Let's see what 3 look like, since they said this the Misfire one cylinder. This one's not wet though. Hey, good morning. Floor was a little easy to take off. And this is 4. Yeah, they auto lights in here as well. There's auto lights. I'm using NGK now. Usually Japanese motors, they love that NGK, so should have known that from the start, but I was just trying to be cheap. I think a pack of fucking auto lights was like $25. The other ones was like fucking $40 to $55 put some NGKs or some shit. Alright, y'all, I think I found the issue. The cylinder 3 for the Misfire. It could be this wire. Look how open that is. And look at the other one that's open too as well. But if you check out the new ones, look how closed the spark is, or whatever they would call this. It connects to the coil, so look how closed they are. These both the new ones. Up close, and just the old ones. How wide is open. So maybe when it was igniting and shit, I guess, or getting it from the spark, it wasn't even connecting. But we're gonna see when we put all this shit together and I do the O2 sensors.
Then that she a Barbie, really she a zero. Better if she never ever called me. Took her for once, now I'm on point like a hero. Every time I fly, I hit the target. And we been in the field like a scarecrow. Had them people running your apartment. Tell me why they keep acting like they know me. From here on out, I do all this for Naomi. And I know I can't go back to the old me. And I know you don't love me, gotta show me. I'm on the road, I've been riding with my homies. You looking for
O2 sensors coming out now. These bitches was probably shot. I recently changed them probably a while ago, but due to all that smoking, probably throws the sensor off crazy. But you know, they cheap anyway, like 25 bucks or some shit. Oh, come pre-anti-seize, I'm good. It's the black one. Hope y'all having a fantastic day. It's beautiful outside. Go ride your bikes. You know what I'm saying? Go work out, do what you need to do. And work on your project cars. It's not shit. I got 2 behind me. Should be working on them motherfuckers. Especially the Mercury. But I'm gonna get there. If not, if y'all wanna buy them, let me know. I'll sell them, you know, for the right price. For the right price, you can have them. Everything can be sold for the right price. Take the rubber off on here because it don't be snapping. Yep, boom. Take that off. It should snap now. There you go. Fire! When we good, I'm gonna take the one off the bottom real quick. Look at this. Yeah, my headers is probably cracked like fuck. I have to order some new one. Look at that. It's not even, the O2 sensor is spinning itself. It's supposed to spin here. But look, that was the issue right there too. Look at that shit. It's spinning. That shit probably blew out fast. That shit done. Put the new one in real quick. New one going in. Boom. See, it's not supposed to spin. See, it ain't spinning. Yeah, we're gonna wire that up there. Boom. Boom, boom. Wait, let me just tighten it real quick. 22. Wrench, tighten it down. It's the daily though, man. I had this car since I was 17. I'm on 18 years old. I'm 27 now, so I'm a daily in this motherfucker. I put over probably 60,000 miles on this joint. I got it at 135 or 132, 132,000 miles. So y'all do the math. It's 187 on here now. I ain't had no problems with, you know, like engine problems and shit like that now. It should be cool. I think all I need to do is really water pump. Things I never did. I changed this whole car been touched. Basically, new motor mounts, stuff like that. Control arms, axles, I did myself. I did a lot. Y'all go back in all my old videos, y'all see. I think the only motor mount I didn't touch was the rear one in the back because it was hard to get to, especially not having a lift and shit. I wonder what the hell is this? This shit look like it need to be changed. Probably end up grabbing one off the junkyard or some shit. Yeah, let's run this up there.
Shit, Andre the Giant, you already know that I'm the flyest. Bitch, I been body, smoking gas high like a pilot. Hot box, feeling like a roster. I'm the Don Dada. If you want war, we can try it. We can see who really bought it. Like who really bought it. Who hotter than me? I burn it up and turn it up to another degree. That nigga talking like he bought it, he copping the plate. He run his mouth talking wild, get y'all for the free. I see he acting like he bought that. Heard he city slime, but I doubt that.
I'm about to start it up. She might smoke a lot, but I haven't started in probably like 2 weeks. I'm still checking the light still going. I'm not sure what the fuck going on. But we're gonna let it run for a while. All that smoke back there. Damn. So right now I'm riding. I cleared the check engine light. Let's see if it popped back up. I'm reading all the live data and stuff like that right now. RPMs looking at 700 and something. So the O2 sensor right here, the first one was fine, it was jumping around at first. The second one, it wasn't. So now it's working to where it's, the graph is showing it's going up and down as it should. So we're gonna see what's up. It's still giving me like a rough type of feel. Like I don't know if it's not a rough idle because my RPM's not jumping, so, but I think it's that fuel pressure regulator. It could be clogged and it's not putting out a lot of fuel pressure. So probably have to order one of those and then, you know, from there see what's up. Because when I go right here to fuel, it don't show my readings. Let's say CL. What the hell is a CL? Closed line. Like fuel system, that's what it says. It's supposed to be reading though, but it says CL. When I click on it, it won't let me check it out. So, but the MAV sensor and all that stuff looks fine. The MAV looks good, and the TP sensor looks good. I don't know, I'm about to hop on the highway and open it up a little bit. And right here, my thoughts is probably the fuel pressure solenoid is clogged. So, because when I'm gassing it, I don't feel like it's wanting to go. Like it'll move, but I think that shit's clogged. So I might have to order another one. I think I changed that shit like 3 years ago or some shit. I don't remember when, but I remember changing it a while ago. Look, check engine light came back on, so yeah, it's flashing. So we're gonna read the code again and see what happens. It must be that fuel because it ain't showing on here. It's saying CL. So it's something. I'm gonna check that out and I'll get back with y'all. Alright, y'all, I pulled over real quick so that way I can show y'all what's going on. But it says faulty ignition coil, open or short ignition coil circuit. It's a connection at the ignition coil, clogged or faulty fuel injector, open or short, and fuel injector cut. So that means cylinder 3 ain't getting enough fuel to be operating right now, I guess. And then it keeps saying fuel regulator. So it might be this fucking fuel regulator, man. That motherfucking BMW up there, clean as a motherfucker, boy. Damn. Yeah, it's something with the fuel, y'all. I did everything else. I changed all the spark plugs. I changed all the coils. So